All right, good morning, everybody, from Cha Am, Thailand. Anyway, we're a couple hours southwest of Bangkok, and we're over here at this nice beach. We're about 40 minutes or so north of Hua Hin. It's a little bit different feel to the beach here than Hua Hin. And I got up early this morning to come and see the sunrise because it's always nice on the beach. And as you can see from the sky around me, we're not going to be in any luck today for the sunrise. It's been a kind of a nasty rainy season that's kind of went long, so it's been raining every day. So we'll just do the best, and we'll walk around and we'll see the beach kind of get going this morning, and I'll do a little bit of talking, and we'll see what we see. So this is Cha Am Beach North, and you can see here they're just setting up for the day. They're putting out the beach chairs and stuff like that. Now this is like a Thai beach. The Thais come here from Bangkok, and it's not really as touristy as like Hua Hin, which is further to the south. You can see some of the Thai kids out here. They came out to see the sunrise also. Now right here, this is kind of what separates Cha Am North from Cha Am South. And they have a night market up here. And I got here too late last night. I was gonna enjoy the night market and it was just closing up. But it's open from the 7th to the 16th. And they're calling it the Sea on the Shore. And they have food vendors and all of that. And this is the center point here. You can see the little night market. They have a stage and stuff set right up here. So it's kind of a nice thing in the evening. Come down here and you can have some food, listen to the ocean, and enjoy the evening. And this is the now Cha Am Beach South. And this beach just kind of stretches along the coastline here. It has a few little breaks, and it runs into, I think, Tasani Beach is the next beach to the south, and then it runs into Hua Hin Beach, and then all of the beaches that are a little bit further south than Hua Hin. The beach here is this kind of brown beach, kind of tan. It's nothing special. It's not the brilliant white sand beach. Hua Hin is a much better beach. But this place here at Cha Am, it's so much cheaper. You can come here and you can stay, like I stayed right on the beach for 560 baht, so like $17, and that includes breakfast. And the breakfast is Thai-style breakfast, so it'll be jope and all of that. Nothing fancy, but it gets you going in the day. Now over here, you can see what they've done is they've had some problems with the erosion of the beach. The tides, the currents and everything have shifted, so the beach has kind of been eroding away. So they've built this concrete wall here, kind of this looks like a little staircase. So they're doing that to keep the beach shored up, and you can see the beach is quite a bit different than whenever I was here last time. I'll post a link in the description of my last beach walk here, but this was, I mean, way down there. So they've done a lot of work to keep this beach from shoring up, and it's kind of like a little hill here now. It's not as flat and nice as it was before. But, you know, it'll keep the beach road from eroding away. So it was kind of a necessity. Now on this beach here, it is the Thai beach. So the Thais come down, they sit on these beach chairs under the awnings, and they'll have seafood, and they'll hang out. The kids will come and play in the ocean, and the whole family will come down here. and they make like a whole weekend of it. They come from Bangkok and they stay down here, and in the evening they let off firecrackers and they do all kinds of stuff. You'll have music playing out here on the beach, and with it that you'll see a lot more of the trash that'll pile up on the beach, because the Thais, you know, it's kind of goes back to the old days when everything was wrapped in banana leaves. You know, they just pitch them on the ground, and now everything's made with plastic, so they still pitch it on the ground and it washes up on the beach and everything else. We have some family out here. Come out here to swim around and play in the water. And the tide, I think it's coming in. I'm not exactly sure which way it's going, but it won't be long and this won't be walking here anymore, because it'll be up to the seawall. And the sun's trying its best to get through the clouds. And more of the beach chairs. Yeah, this is a nice little beach. It's not the perfect, pristine beach that you expect like on a postcard, but you know, the ocean is here, the sand is nice, the weather's always nice. I mean, it's been kind of rainy, but it's Thailand. It's mid-October, so you would expect things to kind of clear up. Well, early mid-October. Normally the rainy season is finished, but this year it just keeps raining and keeps raining and keeps raining. You can see here the water is now up to this little seawall that they've built. All right, let's not walk this way. Let's go back towards the Cha Am North, and we'll walk up that way. You can see out there, there's some fishing boats. So let's go back. All right, so for those of you that are new to my channel, this is the kind of stuff I like to do, especially when I go to a beach. I always like to get up really, really early. I'm kind of a morning guy. So I get up early in the morning. I like to see the sunrise. You know, I'm up at 4:30 in the morning every morning. So I like to get out here, start the day. It's kind of refreshing. And I'd like to just kind of relax and unwind and show you kind of the beaches in the morning. A lot of people like to get out early, just like me. So I'll show you around. That way you can kind of experience a little bit different than just, you know, when everybody's out here in the middle of the day. Now the beach here, it's a nice gentle slope. The sand is nice. There's a little bit of shells, stuff like that in it, but it's not bad. It's a little muddier than some of the really white sand beaches would be. But the beach is still fantastic. All right, so look, we got the sun popping out just a little bit. That'll be nice. This beach here is so popular for the families. The Thais come. And you see up there, they have like the beach road. It'll have all the little flotations, you know, the water wing stuff. Everything for the kids to come, the shovel and buckets and front end loaders, all the stuff for the kids. And then they have the places to sit and eat and relax. So this is a family beach. Now, why would you want to come here instead of going to Hua Hin. This place is so relaxed compared to Hua Hin. There is quite a large expat community that live here, and I saw that last time when I came to like the night market over by the train station, and that was a lot of fun. There was a huge night market, and there was lots and lots of expats that have retired here, and they can come here. The cost of living is so much cheaper than Hua Hin now, and if you come here on holiday, this place is really, really cheap. Plus for me, it's easier to find like places to park, stuff like that. Hua Hin's getting pretty congested, pretty crowded, while Cha Am is still kind of off the map. The Thais know about it. They come down here and they rent like a beachfront, like a bungalow type thing, and they all will just crash in one big huge room and they'll have a good time. The beach is nice. It's definitely safe for the kids. So now with that seawall built, it seems like the north beach here is quite a bit nicer than the south beach. It's a little easier to walk on, and you can see how much beach you have. And then all the beach chairs. Got a guy over here, probably digging some little clams and stuff. Yeah, this beach here, it's nice. It's not the best at all in Thailand, but it's definitely a nice beach. Just wish the weather was a little better. The sun was popping out, and now it's kind of clouded back over. The weather forecast in Thailand is calling for the next 2 weeks of rain, which is a shame. I'm planning on doing quite a little tour of the southern part of Thailand, so I hope I can avoid most of the rain. But if it rains, it rains. Into everyone's life, a little rain must fall, right? But for being early in the morning, this beach is quite busy. All the kids that have been waiting for months and weeks and all that to get out here and go play on the beach, they'll have the absolute best time. Mom up there yelling at him, and he doesn't want to listen. He's going to get in the water. More kids over there. Yeah, this is kind of nice here. So it has like a little berm, and it's made kind of a wading pool here in the middle so the kids can thrash about, not worry. And you can see the fishing boats out on the horizon. I can actually see about 10 of the boats out there. And you'll see some of the Thai Navy boats and stuff every once in a while. Now to get to Cha Am, it's really easy. You can just drive down like I did, get on Highway 4. You can also take a bus or like the minivan from Mochit in Bangkok. You can also take the train. The train is like 38 baht or something like that, and it drops you off. And the train station is about 1.5 kilometer walk or so from the beach. It's not far at all. I've done a video of the Cha Am by train, and it's so cheap and easy to get over here by train. I'm surprised more people don't do it. Most people get on the train and they go to Hua Hin, which is just, it's like 5 stops away from here to the south. Both of them are super, super easy to do. All right, looks like the sun's playing with me again, trying to poke out. So on this beach here, this is how everybody comes over. They set up all these lawn chairs or beach chairs with the umbrellas. And it has all these, has a row of shade trees. And there's even a chicken right here. The rooster's gonna start doing his thing. Now in Thailand, they say the rooster goes iki ik ek instead of cockle-doodle-doo. So this is the little beach road. And they have resorts, little villas, bungalows. It's pretty relaxed. They're not very tall. The buildings are not like massive mega resorts. A lot of little mom and pop places, 7-Elevens, all of that. So they'll set up, they'll have little kitchens back here. They'll cook the food, and then you order it, and then you just sit and eat pretty much all day. That's what the Thais will do. So if you're sitting right here in the beach chair, this is the kind of view you would have. Be able to just look out at the ocean, have a nice day. Yeah, it's my lucky day. Found 5 baht. Now the sand is pretty decent. You have to be a little careful of like broken glass, and there will be some plastic and trash and stuff like that. But the sand is nice. It's a little muddier towards the water, especially when it's like down low tide, but it's okay. All right guys, that's gonna finish up my little walk here on the beach. Getting a little hungry, so I'll go eat some breakfast and then start my day. We're planning on doing a trip down to Champon area today. So maybe we'll see some nice things along the way, and I'll make a couple of videos if I can. So anyway guys, if you like the video, make sure you click like and subscribe. This is the kind of videos I do. I go and I walk around and I show you things that I see. Like today, I'm out here on this beach. It's not the best weather. It's overcast and cloudy, but hey, you don't always have perfect weather in this life. So anyway, if you like kind of the open narrative videos that I do, where I just walk and I talk and tell you a little bit about what I see, then this is definitely the right place for you. And if you want to know something different, leave me a comment down below. If you want me to see something different, tell me also, and I'll do my best. And so anyway, guys, from over here at Cha Am, just north of Hua Hin, life is a journey. Until next time, enjoy.